Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Children, today's topic is building numbers. See, building the greatest number. 5 different digits are given below. The number to be formed should have the highest place value of 10,000. See here numbers. What is that numbers? 91803. Yes. What you have to do? You should do greatest number in these numbers. You should use these digits and you should make a greatest number. The greatest number can be built in descending order. Do you know descending order, children? Yes. Big to small. S. C. Place the greatest digit in the highest place value box. Yes or no? Here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Yes. In this column, which is the highest place value? Here. 10,000. Yes. You should write which number is big in this number? 9. This 9 you should write in the 10,000 box. Okay. Next. Place the next greatest digit in the next highest place value box. Next highest which number? Which one? 1000. As in this numbers already wrote 9. As next which number is greatest? 8. That one you should write in the thousands place. Understood? Like this. Next. Now place the third greatest digit and so on. Next. In these numbers, which one is third greatest? Here, 3. That one you should write in the hundreds place. Okay. Again, 1, tens place. 0, ones place. Like this. What is that number? So, the greatest number formed is 98,310. What is that? 98,310. Understood? What we did here, we use these numbers and we make the greatest number. Understood? Children, next, build the smallest number. See, you should use these numbers and you should build the smallest number. See, when we doing smallest number, see, the smallest number can be built in ascending order. Yes or no, children? Always smallest number built in ascending order. See, place the smallest digit in the highest place value box. See, in these numbers, which one is smallest number? 3. That one you should place in the highest place value box. As here, 10,000 is highest place value box. You should write here. Okay. Again, what you have to do? Place the next smallest digit in the next highest place value box and so on. See, next smallest, what is that number? 5. After that 6. After that 7. After that 8. Here, see what we did here. Ascending order. Ascending order means what? Small to big. Yes or no? 3 smallest number. After that 5. See, 3 smallest. After that 5 is big. After that 6 is big. After that 7 is big. After that 8 is big. Yes or no? Highest numbers we did like this. So the smallest number formed is 35,678. Understood, children? See, children, this one you should write in the classwork. Write the smallest and largest numbers that can be formed using the digits. See? See children, in this number, in this digits, how many digits? 4 digits they given. Okay. In this 4 digit, you should use these numbers and you should form the smallest and largest number. See, when you are writing the number, don't use 0 in the thousands place. Understood? See, here in these numbers, which one is smallest? 3 is smallest. 0 also smallest, but don't use the 0 in the first. Okay. Next 3. 3 after that, which number will come? 7. 7 after that, 8. After that, 0. Otherwise, you can write like this. 3, 0, 7, 8. This is the smallest number. As next 8, 7, 3, 0. This is the greatest number, smallest number. Smallest number is 3078. As here, this is largest number. What is that? 8730. Understood? See, you should use these numbers and you should write the smallest number and largest number. Yes or no? Best idea. I will show you 2 columns. Draw 2 columns and here write smallest number largest number. Okay, see, in this you should form the smallest first, after that largest. 3078, smallest number. Highest number 8730. Okay, in these numbers, which one is the smallest? 3 first, after that 4, after that 5, after that 6, after that 9. What is that? 34,569. Largest number 96543. 96,543. Here already I told you, don't use 0 first. Okay, that's right. See, 4 0 5 7 8. Okay, here 87540. See here 40,578. Here 87,540. Smallest number, largest number. Understood? Write in the classwork ma. Our next bit, rounding the numbers. Rounding numbers. See, rounding the numbers, you should know the rules. Okay. See children, rules for rounding numbers. Step 1. Identify the two tens, 200s or 2000 between which a number is present. Second step. The mid value is always the fifth number. The number is present either before mid value, on mid value or after mid value. Understood children? Next, third step. The number present before mid value is rounded to the nearest 10, hundreds or thousand. Fourth step. The number present after or on the mid value is always rounded to the next large 10, 100 or 1000. Understood children? Compulsory should write the rules in the classwork. Understood? This one you should write in the classwork. For example children, see here, round to the nearest 10. Okay. Nisha has 33 and Aman has 38. Okay. Round the number to the nearest tens. See, 33 nearest. See, this is 33. Yes, nearest where it is? 30 is nearest. Because, see, after 33, 32, 31, 30. Only two numbers difference between 33. Understood? That's why 30 is the nearest. Next, 38. Aman has 38. Yes, here 38. 38 after 39. Only one number difference between these two numbers. That's why 40 is the nearest. Understood children? See, we can observe the Nisha money is close to 30 and Aman's money is close to 40. So, in round figure, we can say Nisha has about 30 and Aman has about 40. Understood children? Next, round to the nearest 100. What is this? 432 is to be rounded to the nearest hundreds. See here. Where it is? Here. Yes, it will come here. 432. Yes. Nearest hundreds means which number will come? See, 432 nearest, 400. Yes or no children? Here, 4 is there, 500. That's why 400 is nearest. See, since 432 is less than 450. Yes or no? 450 is less than midpoint. See, here 400, here 500. Which one is midpoint in these numbers? 450 is midpoint. 450 less than 432. Yes or no? That's why 400 is closer to the 432. Understood? Since 432 is less than 450 and closer to 400. Understood? So, 432 is rounded to 400. Understood children? What I said? See, 432 is nearest to the 400. That's why 400 is the rounded. Okay. Next, round to the nearest thousands. See, 1887 is to be rounded to the nearest thousand. See, mid 1000 to 2000. Midpoint is 1500. Yes. See, this is here it will come, this number. What is that number? 1887. Here it will come. Nearest to the 2000. Understood? Since 1887 is more than 1500 and closer to 2000. 1887 is rounded to the 2000. Understood, children? Children, write in the classwork. See here, 565 is to be rounded to the nearest hundreds. Yes. See, in these numbers 500 to 600, which one is midpoint of this? 550 is the midpoint. S, mid value. Okay, see here 565. 565 is more than 550. Yes or no, children? Here it will come. 565. That's why which one is nearest to the 565? 600 is the nearest to the 565. Since $565 is more than 550 and close to the, what is it close to? What is that? 600. 600. So 556 is rounded to 600. Understood, children? Write in the classwork. Just example I gave. Write this. In the classwork I should write. Did you understood what I did? See here, 500 to 600 I wrote the number line. S. Which one is the midpoint in this? 550 is midpoint, mid value. S. See, 565 more than 550. Yes or no? That's why 600 is nearest to the 565. Understood, children? Children, you should do homework also. This is your homework. Take screenshot and write.